Hi, and welcome to Maths Made Easy. Today we're going to learn how to divide fractions. So, let's get started. Let's say we have two fractions we want to divide. 3 over 4, and we want to divide that by 2 over 7. Now, we have a really simple method to do this. What we do is we flip the second fraction, and we multiply them together instead. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So, we take 3 over 4, and we flip the second fraction and multiply by it instead. So that gives us a 7 over 2, so I'm just turning that upside down, changing the divide to multiply, and now all we do is just do the multiplication. If you want to know how to multiply fractions, I have another video on that, so you can go and have a look at that if you need to, but really it is just as simple as multiplying along the top and the bottom. So if we multiply the two top numbers, we get 7 times 3, that's 21. If we multiply the two bottom numbers, we get 4 times 2, that is 8. And that is literally how you multiply and divide fractions. That's your simple method there. So let's try another example. Suppose we have 4 over 9 and we want to divide that by 6 over 3. So pause the video, give it a try, unpause it, and I'll explain how to do it. Okay, so just like above, we first flip the second fraction and change the division to a multiplication sign. So 4 over 9, changing the division to a multiplication, and then 3 over 6. Okay, now, next step, we multiply along the top, and we multiply along the bottom. So 4 times 3, that's 12, 9 times 6, that is 54. And we've multiplied our fractions. If you want to simplify this, you will notice that you can divide both of these by 2. So 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 54 26 times. No, sorry, 27 times, excuse me. 27 times 6 over 27, so we've simplified it. You might also notice that 6 over 3 is the same as 2, but that's okay. For the method, it's irrelevant. Let's see one more example. What about 2 over 5 divided by, let's put in a minus this time, minus 3 over 6. So, just like with multiplication, when you have a negative and a positive number, you'll get the result will be a negative number. So we'll put a negative number in there, and now, just like before, we will do our method of changing the division to a multiplication and flipping the second fraction. There we go. If you hear a noise in the background, that is my cat coming into the room and wanting attention. Okay, so now we actually just carry out this multiplication. 2 times 6, that's 12. 5 times 3, that's 15. And that negative that we put out front stays there. So we get minus 12 over 15. And that is how you multiply fractions. Thank you.